Hi guys, want to do a quick short video, hopefully short, showcasing all the details. Instead of notes, I put little post-its. Original restored speedometer, new old stock trip knob. That guy's pretty cool. Guy in the aerospace industry made those years ago, and I lost the contact information, the plug for the mirror, if you don't run it there. Correct early model turn signal switch. Of course, OEM Hella turn signals that aren't readily available anymore. Original Bosch script style headlight glass. Correct screw that doesn't have the threads on the back. In other words, it's supposed to be that way. Most of us restorers know that. Probably to pilot it in there better. Early 5mm bolts should have a 9mm wrench size, not 8. These are original. Nipping, totally correct. Pain in the butt to restore. On the 8mm bolts, back then it was 14mm wrench size. They went to 13 later. These we scrounge for, restore them. There's also ones on the back muffler. Same part number, got those correct. You'll notice the mufflers are seamless. All the photos I've seen, early bikes had seamless mufflers. I don't know if they started cheaping out and putting seams or if it was a different supplier. Back to the front here, original restored chrome steel axles, not stainless. Hub nuts, early style, really nice, restored. Bosch spark plug cap. A lot of people like these. I don't believe they're correct at all for this year. So if you want me to switch them out, I have original correct Baru. I think the only difference is they have 1K ohms resistance. We don't have any problem with those, especially with the new coils that we put on them. And this bike's got a new coil. Carburetor restored with really nice manganese phosphate fasteners. A lot of people have those funky new gold anodized ones, not correct. Probably originally was black oxide. Black oxide rust out quick. We do it in manganese phosphate. So that's pretty cool. And we have good luck with the reproduction Everbest fuel taps. Some of them were a problem, but less of a problem for us than restoring originals. And these look dead stock. I'm gonna make a second video because this is gonna get too long.